chunk 6. So in chunk 5, you created your conclusion and then your introduction. Chunk 6 is the same process. So you're going to speak your 3 body sections one at a time into your device, and then you're going to edit. Each one of those is turned in separately for a grade. You need to make sure that each of your body sections is 2 paragraphs long, fills 1/4 to, or 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 pages, okay? That means that each one of them is about 3/4 of a page, each paragraph. Now that's double spaced, Times New Roman, 12-point font, 1-inch margins as normal. So what I would prefer for you to do is to read your entire body 1 or 2 or 3, whichever one you're starting with, into your device, and not even worry about where the paragraph break is going to be. Then go back in and look at the 3 sections. Remember, when you did each one on your finger, you had topic 1 or body 1, so this is topic 1 that's going to prove it, topic 2 that's going to prove it, topic 3 that's going to prove it, and you have those details in there. So here's what we're going to do. At some point in between 1 and 3, so about halfway through section 2, which is this one, is going to be your paragraph break. You're going to find a spot where you can just stick a paragraph break in. You're not going to add any words necessarily. You're not going to take anything out. You're just going to find a spot where you can go, and next paragraph. So all of topic 1 and part of topic 2 are going to be in the first 3/4 of a page paragraph. Then all of topic 3 and the other half of topic 2 are going to be in the second one. And what that means is you don't have to worry about transitioning. Within a body section, you're not going to have to worry about any transitions. And we're not even going to put them all together yet. So all you're doing is you're doing each one of these individually. Okay. So after speaking your section, you're going to go back and edit. You're going to look for punctuation, capitalization. You're also going to make sure you've got all of your author introductions done correctly. You're going to make sure that you have all of your in-text citation added in. You may not have done that when you were speaking. That's fine. Now you're going to do it. You're going to go back in. You're going to make sure you're only in third person. Okay, wait. Let me back up. The in-text citation, that's the one that's in parentheses. Okay, those ones that you wrote down on your introduction, that's where these go. Okay, you're going to remove, we're going to go back to this one. Only third person, no use of I, me, us, we, you, and you can remember, you can use Control F to find all of those. Make sure you've got your signal phrases and in-text citation for every idea that does not belong to you. Everything. If it's not your intellectual property, you have to cite where it came from. Okay. You also have to tell us to whom it does belong. Then you're going to go back and you're going to look at the structure. You're going to look at your author introductions, sentence structure throughout. You're going to now get rid of all your contractions. This is new. So you're going to look through the entire paper for contractions. The easiest way to do this is Control F and then put in the apostrophe, because it'll actually search for an apostrophe. Then you're going to replace them with the actual words that they mean. So if you have don't, you're going to put in do space not. That is a much more formal way of doing it. It's also going to make sure that you don't have any grammatical errors. And I know you're sitting there thinking, oh, I used them correctly. It doesn't happen. I even make those mistakes when I use contractions, so I don't want any contractions in your entire paper. Okay, do not allow your source words, so what somebody else has come up with, to dominate. Your analysis is the most important thing. You're using their ideas, but you are analyzing. Okay. Also, be aware when you put in the author introductions, it's going to make for a fairly long sentence within that paragraph. So make sure you only have the most important thing, but that you're also including their title and that you are making sure we know why they are an expert.